Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to render data clusters in Mapify. Starting from the Mapify console, let's visit the Layers tab. For our example, we will use a layer displaying the real-time location of Helsinki buses. Our layer type is configured as real-time, which constantly updates the dataset with real-time inputs. Click Preview. If you pay close attention, the bus's location is updated in real time, as expected. However, because there are too many buses, when you zoom out, it's complicated to extract relevant information for decision making. We need to do something about it. Go back and visit the Style tab. Here is where we will set up our clusters to improve readability. Clusters are calculated according to the amount of features in a given area. The first step is to enable your clusters by ticking this box. You can immediately preview how they will look before saving your changes. Clusters visually aggregate data points in circles and also update in real time, as you can see. Clusters are defined using rules such as less than, between, and greater than. For this example, we already set up the cluster rules to look like this. However, you can define your values and then customize how that data shows up in the map. It's possible to customize the stroke, symbol, and label colors. To showcase the difference, we will change this stroke color from pink to white, and this symbol from pink to purple. Size is also changeable. Let's make it larger. Now preview the new clusters. Here they are in pink and with a larger font.